A dose of love from the trees with Kyle here. A sanctuary within you all exists and is welcoming your voices toward it. This peaceful nature, which is asking for your attention, is prevalent within you. Noticing what is more, what is becoming within you, is of major importance right now, as this alludes to the willing of the force of nature within you. These forces can attain heights you have never known before. The screeching of cattle is the noise that will come when all animals are enthralled with their present state of being rising, knowing that humans are rising, to which they came from. This means that humans will attain an energy that accumulates and enjoys animals in an entirely different way. The sensing of joy within animals will be a connection to which you all are fated to have. So enjoy sinking yourselves into wondrous states of being, such as the sanctuaries within you that will always be